Looking for an easy way to use small language models on your own without writing a single line of code? Today, I'll show you exactly how you can do that with LM Studio and Ollama, two tools that make it incredibly easy to download and run small language models right from your system. First things first, let's download LM Studio. You can simply head to lmstudio.ai and grab the right version for your operating system. Once downloaded, install and open LM Studio, and this is what you'll see. A sleek, minimalistic interface with a chat window ready to go. But before we can start chatting with AI, we need to select and load a model. Let's dive into that. In the LM Studio interface, there's an option to select a model. LM Studio will suggest models like the powerful Llama model. But for this demo, let's explore something lighter, Tiny Llama. Click on the Discover tab, search for Tiny Llama, a model with 1.1 billion parameters. This is perfect for getting started without using up too many system resources. Once you find it, to see the details. Everything you need to know about this model is displayed, and when you're ready, just hit download. It's that simple. Downloading may take a few minutes, but once it's complete, we'll load the model and see it in action. Let's jump to the next step. With the model downloaded, it's time to load it and get chatting. Once downloaded, LM Studio automatically loads the model and creates a new chat session. You'll see the name of your model, in this case, Tiny Llama, and you can start interacting with it. Let's try something basic. I'll ask it to write a simple Python script. And within seconds, here's a complete Python script, ready to go. The response time is impressively fast, considering the size of the model. But don't stop here, there's more to come. Up next, we're going to explore an alternative method to run models locally using Ollama. Ollama is a wrapper that lets you manage multiple models, both small and large, directly through the command line. Just download Ollama from their official site, install it, and you can run models like Tiny Llama directly from the command prompt. For example, I'll run Ollama with Tiny Llama. And here's the response, all within the terminal. So, whether you prefer a simple UI like LM Studio or a command line tool like Ollama, you have powerful options at your fingertips. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.